This is a video on Sanctioned Anthropic, your safe, enterprise-approved AI assistant inside Airia. It gives you the power of Anthropic's leading models, plus enterprise tooling like web search and web scraping, all wrapped in the guardrails your organization needs. Let's start with something simple: summarizing a web page. I'll paste the link, and the agent instantly reads and condenses the content into a clear, concise summary. From here, I can choose to email the results directly or export them into a Word document, perfect for sharing with colleagues or including in a report. Finally, let's generate some Python code. I can describe the functionality I need, and Sanctioned Anthropic writes the script directly in Airia. If I want changes or have suggestions, I can send instant feedback to an administrator, ensuring our AI tools evolve with our needs. Next, let's research someone, in this case, Sam Altman. With just a short prompt, the agent pulls together details about his career and achievements. I can then export that research into a ready-to-use PowerPoint presentation, ideal for quick briefings or internal knowledge sharing. With Sanctioned Anthropic in Airia, you can research, summarize, create, and code, all while staying inside your organization's security framework. It's AI made safe for enterprise. Thanks for watching.